muigi megie kigina mwaka wa kigina wa 2019 na 2020 kurerekana ati kana bunge ya kaunti ino maikorirwo magithukira muigana wa ciringi mirioni 27 no indi maikorwo magikirereria na kuhuthira ciringi mirioni 66 kuria riu kamiti ino imahete mieri 6 ikorwo makiheana na kana gukorwo magithurima na kuheana mathabu mega maine iguru ria kigina kana mwaka uyu wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2020 kana 2019 na 2020 ni ripoti tukiharirio ni mwandiki Maina wa Mushwe.
Bunge ya kaunti ya Naikuru nitafanite ripoti ya bajeti ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2019 ya muigi mathabu wa kaunti ino kuria mathenya monekanite mangethete thutha wa bunge ino kuhea bajeti ya mirioni 27 indi ikihuthira mirioni 66 undu uria wirikanite ucungiriirio ni wagi wa uthurimi wa bajeti ino na kinyi ukihanika kuona bunge ino ya amemba 78 igikorwo ona mundu umwe tu wa kuhoyokirira kikimahe na bajeti.
The audit issues are very clear that the budget was 27, commitment was 66, and our question was how do they intend to pay the excess.
Jane Wabero na urene munini wa karani wa bunge ino augite kaunti ino negumirwo ni thiri utari murihe utakunyihira mirioni 66 iria ciumanite kumana na guthi ikiongererekaga kumana na miaka mihituku ya kigina cio mirioni 55 hari ni cia uthii wa na mbere guku mirioni 73 ikihuthika hatari guthurimwo akionekana gukorwo na matimoru wa kigina kia muigi.
From the previous years we had pending bills. And if we go to our budget, we carried forward the budget for the pending bills. This is 53 million. This is not included in the 27. This is carried down 53 million 065. When you add on now the 27, it is coming up to to 8 million.
Mbecha cia muigana wa mirioni 42 ni ciatengeirwo gwakwo kwa wikaro wa speaker wa bunge ya kaunti huku mirioni 3 ikirutithanio kuma hari 42 kumana na kwaga gukinyanirio gwakwo gwa swimming pool ni mwene kandarathi kina gigitigara mirioni 39.
Chair, yeah, we know the gaps that we are having in the HR issue, the legal department, and so it will be much easier, much convenient for the assembly to use the money through that usage other than building a swimming pool. So I'm fine with the residents as it is. It doesn't have to have a swimming pool.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ino nionekanite kwaga kuiganira na amemba bunge ino kumana na kiria augite ni uhuthiri wa kigina kia uthii wa na mbere hari maundu mangi guku akimahe kahinda ka mieri 6 guthurima kigina kiao ari ni hamwe na gutigirira ni mandika mawakiri makumateithiriria na maoni iguru ria mihutherere ya mbeca cia muigi ta uria ciendekithitio.
We have observed that you have a lot of gaps in documentation and formalization of your procedures and policies. And we have given generally 6 months for documentation, adoption and implementation of various policies and procedures.
Haduine Hamuthingi TV, Rekoni Maina, wa Mushwe.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno mundu gwitwo Maina wa Mushwe ni tondu wa ripoti iyo njega na ripoti iyo ni iragituheka mweke twiko tukiyuka nginya kuria matukaine na kuo tukirore uria kana maundu magika